Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the latest and most innovative audio technology. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Sonos Ray. This groundbreaking audio device is set to redefine your audio experience. Let's dive straight into discovering what the Sonos Ray is all about and how it can elevate your audio world. Immersive sound. The Sonos Ray is engineered to deliver immersive sound that surrounds you, whether you're watching a movie, streaming music, or gaming. With crystal clear audio quality, it transforms your space into a captivating audio haven. Voice control. Say goodbye to fumbling for remotes. The Sonos Ray features voice control, allowing you to adjust volume, switch tracks, or even ask questions using just your voice. It's your audio assistant at your command. Seamless connectivity. Connect the Sonos Ray to your favorite devices effortlessly. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or TV, this device seamlessly integrates with your tech ecosystem for a harmonious audio experience. Sleek design. The Sonos Ray doesn't just sound amazing, it looks stunning too. Its sleek and modern design complements any space, making it a stylish addition to your home. Multi-room audio. Elevate your entire home audio experience by connecting multiple Sonos Ray devices. Sync them for synchronized playback or play different tracks in different rooms, the choice is yours. Customized sound. Tailor the sound to your preferences with the Sonos app. Adjust the bass, treble, and other settings to create a personalized audio profile that suits your taste. Uses of the Sonos Ray. Home theater. Transform your living room into a home theater with the Sonos Ray's immersive sound. Whether you're watching movies or binge-watching your favorite series, you'll be in the center of the action. Music streaming. Enjoy your music like never before. Stream your favorite playlists, albums, or podcasts with the Sonos Ray's rich and detailed audio quality. Gaming. Elevate your gaming experience with immersive audio. Hear every detail, from footsteps to explosions, as if you're right in the game world. Smart home integration. Integrate the Sonos Ray into your smart home ecosystem. Control your lights, thermostat, and more, all with voice commands through your Sonos Ray. In conclusion, the Sonos Ray isn't just an audio device, it's a game changer for how you experience sound. With its immersive sound, voice control, sleek design, and seamless connectivity, it's the audio companion you've been waiting for. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the Sonos Ray. If you found this video informative and exciting, please consider liking and sharing it with fellow audio enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting tech discoveries, and until next time, let the Sonos Ray take your audio experience to new heights.